I see your face. I'm happy. Oh my God. I am making a good job. My, employees, everybody, see his family. I don't have employees, it's family. Hey, take care of you, take care of everybody. So when they see your customer, it's a good job.
The passion is
Yeah, the passion
clear
is for
here.
you.
Yeah,
A lot of people, oh my God. A lot of customers looking for this ropa vieja.
It's a favorite?
Because, yeah, it's a favorite, ropa vieja, because the beef, the beef is very sweet, good, and cassava. Somebody says, what's cassava? Yuca, similar potato. And that one plate, these two, the Cuban sandwich.
Yes.
It's delicious bread, making, the home bread, ham, pickles, mayo, mustard.
Try to get a little bit of everything on one little forkful here.
And here, everything, is very fresh. I'm coming, me and my employee, 7:30 in the morning.
It's very flavorful. You can tell that the love and the care and the passion that went into it, like you said, from early in the morning, that you can really feel all of that kind of, that family environment you have.
Yeah. In America, 25 restaurants, and here's number 17, the best, but I try for number 1.
What do you say we get back to the kitchen and you can show me how you do?
Oh yeah, I'm going to teach you when we make it chicken string.
And what kind of flavors will go into this one?
Oh, so it's the same thing, you put salt, pepper, it's very good, This is the favorite. Very good combination to chicken string and veggies. Same, so many people thought it's fajitas, but now chicken string, Cuban. See, now the veggies here.
Yep.
Rice and beans.
Rice and beans.
And white rice,
White rice. What's your favorite?
White rice.
Let's do that.
You put in here, see, that one too. Mojito, buffet, you see? It's so
kind of
good.
a white sauce.
Yeah.
With those pretty shrimp on top. Yeah.
Very easy, very good. This is everything fresh over here.
Okay, you've got to tell us about these desserts. They're looking right at us.
And this dessert is a flan chocolate. It's very good flavor, chocolate, mixed together, combination in the flan.
That chocolate cake is delicious.
Oh my God, so
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
It's a lot of calories, but it's
Yeah,
so good,
I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that.